Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Maximus in FL Studio. Maximus is a fantastic multi-band compressor and limiter, giving you precise control over your sound. It's truly a game changer for achieving a polished mix, whether you're working on individual tracks or your final master. We will explore its key features and how to apply them, helping you elevate your audio production. The core of Maximus lies in its three-band operation, allowing you to treat low, mid, and high frequencies separately. Imagine being able to tame a booming bass without affecting your crisp hi-hats. You can even fine-tune the crossover points, perhaps setting the low band to around 120 Hz. This level of detail empowers you to sculpt your audio with incredible precision. Diving deeper, each band has its own full compressor, letting you dial in the threshold, ratio, attack, and release settings. Beyond that, the master section provides a powerful final limiter and overall gain control, perfect for achieving commercial loudness. Keep an eye on the visualizers as they give valuable feedback on your gain reduction. Don't be afraid to try out some of the 25 or so built-in presets. They offer great starting points. For practical use, consider Maximus on your master bus to bring your entire track to a professional level of loudness and clarity. It's also incredibly useful on individual tracks. Imagine adding punch to your kick drums low end without muddying the mids. Remember, less is often more with this powerful tool. A small boost of 2 decibels or a subtle compression can make all the difference, creating a well-balanced and dynamic sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.